Hey friends, you're not going to believe how these videos were made. Watch this. These videos you're seeing, they came straight from a simple idea. No gear, no editing, no experience, and zero budget. If that made you lean in a little, stick around. You're about to see how to create videos for free just like these. If you want to try this for free, the first step is signing up for a Grok account. Open your browser and go to x.com. If you already have an X account, you're basically done. Just log in. If not, click Sign Up and create a free X account using your email or Google login. Once you're logged in, look for Grok in the menu and click it. Then up top, click on the drop-down arrow where it says Auto and go down to gogrok.com. That's it. You now have access to Grok and can start using its AI features for free. Before we jump into the crazy video clips you just saw, let me give you a quick heads up about the tool I'm using today. It's called Grok, and what makes it interesting is how fast and simple it is. You can ask it questions, create content, brainstorm ideas, and it actually responds with a little personality.
Why did the pig go into stand-up comedy? Because he was a real ham.
It's not just another chatbot. It feels more like a creative sidekick that works instantly. And the cool part, it has a built-in feature that lets you turn your ideas into videos without needing any experience at all. That's what I'm about to show you next. Yep, Grok includes a built-in AI video generator called Imagine, and you can use it completely for free if you already have access to Grok. Today, I'm going to show you how to find it, how to use it, and how to start creating videos just like the ones you saw in seconds. Finding Imagine is simple. Just open Grok like you normally do and look over on the left side of the screen. Right here is where Grok keeps its video tools. Another place you can access it is underneath the chat box. Click on Create Image, the free video generator you can use instantly. There's nothing to install, nothing to set up. Once you click it, you're ready to start creating videos. And from here, all you have to do is type the idea you want to turn into a video. So I want a superhero named Grok. I'll have Grok create the prompt for me. Create a prompt to make a superhero named Grok. Include details that the AI needs to visualize the character. Paste the prompt in the Grok Imagine text box. Pause the video and view the prompt. Notice how descriptive Grok is. Once you're happy with your idea, hit Generate and Imagine will start creating it right away. And just like that, your video appears, no fees, no watermarks, and no extra steps. Grok handles everything for you. That's how fast it is. Your idea goes in, and a real video comes out in a few seconds. Grok also gives you several versions. Just click on the one you want. You'll notice Grok only lets you generate short clips, usually around 5 seconds. That's because each video is created as a single, self-contained scene. If you want to extend that video and keep the same character, here's the trick. First, save the very last frame of your original clip. Drag the playhead all the way to the final frame. Right-click on the image. Click Copy Video Frame. Next, when you generate another 5-second video, upload that saved frame as a reference image. This tells Grok to continue with the same character and appearance instead of creating a new one. That's how you chain short clips together while keeping your character consistent. One thing to be aware of is this. When you upload a reference image into Grok, it may automatically generate a new video right away. You don't always get a chance to type in your next prompt or describe the next scene. To fix this, head into your profile, then Settings. Click on Behavior. Then turn off Enable Automatic Video Generation. Once that's disabled, Grok will wait for your prompt first. That way, you can describe the next scene, control the action, and keep your character consistent without Grok jumping ahead. Let's create the second scene. But first, I need to change the misspelled emblem Grok to Grok. I uploaded an image, clicked Edit Image. I gave it a prompt, change the emblem on the chest to read Grok. When done, click on Make Video. Once the video generation is done, you can watch your video. Let's create the second scene to this video. First, play your current video clip in Grok or on x.com. Scrub to the very last frame. This is the one you want to continue from for perfect continuity. Right-click directly on the video frame. In the menu, select Copy Video Frame. Now open a new chat with Grok or switch to a fresh Imagine prompt box. Simply paste the frame. Grok will upload it as your starting image. With the last frame uploaded, add your prompt for the next scene. Then hit Generate. Repeat this process for as many scenes as you need, then stitch them in a free editor like CapCut or your favorite video editor. That's it. Now you can create epic long-form AI videos. I'm a new creator, so I'd be super grateful if you could subscribe, tap like, and hit the notification bell. I'd love your feedback in the comments. It costs nothing, and it truly helps this reach more people. You'll find subscribe, like, the notification bell, and the comment section right below this video.